This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. We're back home now and in the house, not in the car, because I have to babysit Isabel. Yeah, ABC, always baby care. Well, okay, so about the acceleration, you see that the Dolphin is right on par with ID3. It has the same power, but it's front-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. It's a little bit lighter even than the ID3. But 6.9 seconds, I think that's quite legit for a poor man's, wait, it's a poor man's BYD Atto 3, right? Where's the Atto again? Atto. Wait, huh? Is Atto slower? Oh wow, yeah, I just realized Atto has the same power, but it's a little bit heavier and it's slower. So if Atto. Slower, yeah. Not schnell, nicht schnell, Isabel. Isabel, langsam. Okay, yeah. But yeah, so if Atto 3 is the poor man's car, then the BYD Dolphin is the poor man's car, okay, whatever. But when it comes to noise though, you see here, the Dolphin is, well, I wouldn't say noisy, but not the quietest car out there. So maybe it's because we have the Nyland Comfort Master tires. But where was Atto again? Did I ever test Atto? I didn't. Wait, no, not that shit. Okay, yeah, you see Atto has better noise. Not sure why. Maybe because it has Continental Eco Contact 6, or maybe it has better soundproofing. Yeah, I got the impression that soundproofing in Atto 3 is better. So yeah, you pay the premium price for the Atto and you get better soundproofing. And the last thing is, what about braking distance? Well, Nyland, that's Chinese, right? So how good are they? Well, if you look at the list here, the top here, they do it in... Yeah, Achtung. Achtung. Yeah, Achtung. Hallo. Hello. Okay. But you see that the best cars, they brake in roughly 35 meters. And then here is 38, so it's not the worst, but then you see that on the bottom you have the winter tires. So in that regard, for a car that weighs only 1.8 tons roughly, then you would expect it to brake better, right? Maybe around 35 meters. So how good are the Nyland tires? Comfort Master? Probably not the best, yeah, based on this test. The best, I mean, for a proper test, I have to put on something like a Michelin or Continental or whatever, and then we can see how it goes. Oh, okay, shit, okay, I need to read now. Yeah, Gunking goes to the beach. Okay, this is the problem. Yeah. So yeah, why can't wifey take Oh, yeah. Okay. Why can't wifey take care of both children? Well, she has a C-section, a big wound here, you know. That's why. So she's actually resting now because I slept through the night and then she was awake part of the night. Part of the night to take care of Axel, the little brother. So that's why I have to do this. So sorry for the inconvenience. We don't have a babysitter today. So that's just how it goes. But what should I say about the Dolphin? Well, you see that the Dolphin has like premium when it comes to speed, acceleration. Noise, not the best. And then braking, well, ABC, always blame tires. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, you want me to read? Gunking goes to the beach, baby. Yeah, Daddy can read it. This is pretty cool. There's a book there, right? And then you do flip mode, and then there's a Thai version. Yeah. But then, yeah, babies, man, like she ripped all the pages. We had to stitch them together again. That's just the baby thing. Yeah, baby. Okay. So now it's time to read. So anyway. Okay, just hold it on. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.